Hello, this is Rich Pappas from Proximal Data, here to tell you more about AutoCache, which is a caching solution that removes I/O bottlenecks for greater virtual machine density, efficiency, and performance. Server virtualization is pervasive in the industry because it lets system administrators do more with less. But as more virtual machines are added to a physical server, an I/O bottleneck is created when disks can't keep up with the aggregated workload. This leaves you with a clogged system and an underutilized CPU. AutoCache is I/O caching software that is specifically designed to solve the virtual machine density issue by eliminating the I/O bottleneck. We transparently attach to ESXi in seconds, where our adaptive caching algorithms inspect all traffic that flows through ESXi. AutoCache stores hot I/O in a local PCI Express flash card or local SSD, which is supplied by one of our partners, such as LSI, Micron, or Intel. We are a read cache with write-through, which means that we explicitly accelerate read activity, though we also help writes by relieving the read burden away from the back-end data store. And we are completely transparent to the virtual machines themselves, with absolutely no need for guest OS agents. AutoCache is also transparent to your storage infrastructure and is completely compatible with your existing investment. By removing the I/O bottleneck, resources are freed up to enable greater virtual machine density and greater CPU utilization. Users can expect up to 2 to 3 times more virtual machines per physical server, which greatly improves system efficiency and total cost of ownership. And all of this is done with absolutely no impact to VMware's value-added features, such as vMotion. Now let's look at some key features of AutoCache. First, this solution was built from the ground up for the ever-changing environment of virtualized servers. With so much workload diversity, no single caching algorithm can resolve all traffic. So we created a set of self-tuning, automated algorithms that run in parallel with a real-time feedback loop to automatically adapt to the virtualized workload. Second, AutoCache is incredibly easy to use. The installation process is a single VIB, or VMware Installation Bundle. And the default setting is to simply cache all I/O, so the sysadmin does virtually no work to get started. You just plug in AutoCache and it works. There is no reconfiguration of any type and no need for operational or procedural changes. And finally, AutoCache has a powerful analytics GUI that lets you know that it's working for you without learning a new tool. AutoCache is integrated within vSphere or vCenter, which is in tune with VMware's single pane of glass mentality. This tool shows you all I/O activity and is viewable from the perspective of ESXi in general, or by the individual guest OS, or by the back-end storage device or LUN. This level of analytics enables the administrator to have new insights to better manage virtual machine deployment. And it also allows for customization of AutoCache if by chance that ever becomes necessary. In fact, here's a screenshot of how we integrate inside of vCenter. You can see that we look just like every other tool you're using today, and we're presenting real-time I/O analytics and control functions. In summary, Proximal Data's AutoCache is the only I/O caching solution that is specifically designed for virtualized servers with an extreme focus on improving virtual machine density. We are fully integrated into VMware's management utilities, completely transparent to all IT operations, and we're wickedly simple to deploy. Please go to our website to give us a try.